If you're a hustler or someone who wants to make extra money on the side, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Picsart channel. My name is Talar and today I'm going to show you how you can take one graphic design and turn it into a range of products that you can sell on any print-on-demand shop. Sounds cool, right? Alright, let's go ahead and start. So what I like to do as a first step is research. I'm going to go ahead on Pinterest and search for trendy graphic design elements or graphic design t-shirts or stickers or anything that people are really liking right now. So then I can recreate something of my own and then use that as my graphic design element. Then it's basically going ahead and opening Picsart to start creating your design. So whether you're creating a logo or a graphic or a sticker or even just using text, everything that we have on Picsart will make your graphic design look like a pro edit. So let's go ahead and open Picsart Web and start with a blank canvas. I'm going to use a square canvas size, which is going to be perfect for this project since I will be removing the background anyways and will use a PNG. And then I'm going to search for some cool elements in the Picsart library to add to my design. I'm going with a cherry vibe, so it's perfect. You can either use stickers, photos that you can remove the background from, or create something entirely from scratch. You can play around with text, colors, and effects to get the perfect look. I'm going for a trendy minimalist vibe with some bold typography. When you're happy with your design, save it as a high quality PNG file with a transparent background. That's very important, so it works on multiple product types. Okay, so now that we have this design, we're gonna go ahead and take it to the print-on-demand platforms and actually apply it to different mockups so we can see how it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and open Printify and let me show you how you can do that. All right, so we're heading to Printify, and the platform basically allows you to upload your design and automatically apply them to products like t-shirts, phone cases, mugs, and so much more. All you have to do is upload your PNG file and choose the type of mockup that you want to use. And then it gets applied to everything from hoodies and stickers. So let's see how the mockups look like. As you can see, one single design can create a whole range of products. You can even adjust the placement of your design and customize them on each item to make sure it looks perfect. And just like that, we have a range of beautiful products that we can sell on any platform, whether it's your own website, social media, or Etsy. They're right there. And that's it. Basically, if you're a hustler or someone who wants to make extra money, this technique is so easy and effective. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and come back every Monday for another video. Bye!